I'm super excited to share today's 10-minute workout with you, which is a arm and balance bar inspired workout. Not only will it strengthen and sculpt your arms, but it will also challenge your balance and stability. I'm using a 2-pound set of weights. You can use the same as me, slightly lighter, or you can do the whole workout without any weights at all. Make sure to complete the whole 10 minutes, as at the end of this video, I'll be sharing a link to another complimentary bar video which also challenges your balance and your lower body. For now, grab your weights, your mats, and join me standing on your mat. Okay guys, let's do this. Take one weight in each hand, hands down by the sides. Just begin with a few big shoulder rolls back. Full range of movement, thinking about the shoulders all the way up to your ears, round and back. 2 more. Nice deep breaths in through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. And then I want you to bring the palms forward, transfer all the weight onto the right foot and bring the left toes to the inside of the right knee. Scooping the arms forward from the shoulders, lift the arms up to shoulder height and lowering down. We come up and down. You want to think of squeezing the right butt cheek to help keep your balance as we take the gentle scoop forward and lower. If at any point you do lose your balance, that's absolutely fine. No judgment. The idea is to improve balance throughout. So every time you do this workout, I guarantee you will be getting a little bit better. Good, go for 10 more. Lift and lower, keeping the softness in the elbows. All the time engage in your core. So a nice way to do this is to imagine you're wearing a corset and the right side and the left side of the waist is meeting in towards the center, pulling your belly button towards your spine. We have 3 to go. Lift and lower. 2, last one, holding up at the top and give me tiny pulses from the shoulders. Up, down, up, down, up, down. We go for 10, 9, 8, 7. In 3, 2, ready to hold the arms up, keep them up to shoulder height, open the arms out to a T position, bring them back in. All the time we're balancing on the right leg. At any point, if you need to lower the weight down, if you're feeling this too much into the shoulders, have the option of lowering the weights. In 3, final 2. Last one, we hold the arms out at a T position, extend the left leg forward from the knee, pull it in, out and in. Ooh, the balance might want to go a little bit more as we extend the leg away from you. 5 more, keeping the palms up, keeping the shoulders back. 3, 2, last one, hold in, bring the toes back to the inside of the knee. Challenge yourself to close your eyes for 5, 4, 3, 2, open the eyes, elbows into the waist and out, in and out, in and out. Tiny little bit quicker. Feeling the work into your biceps as well here. Good, we go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, finish with a hold at the top. And bring the foot down, palms come down to the floor, both feet are down, bend the knees as we bring the hands towards you and lengthen the legs as we bring the arms to shoulder height. Bend and lengthen, squeezing the inner thighs together all the time, pushing the hips back, lower and lift, down and up. We go for 5, always squeezing the inner thighs, never forget that. 2, last one, holding up at the top for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, float the arms down. Turn to face the side. Your feet just want to be as wide as your hips and bring your hands onto the hips, the elbows are back. Bend in the knees, push your bum back, and then press the arms back into a tricep kickback. So you have length in the arms, then the elbows, out and in. This is where we may find those tiny shapes through the back of the arms. A really great move, very popular with the ladies, especially if you're trying to get rid of those bingo wings, as we call them, flabby backs of the arms. Good, give me 4 more. 3, 2. Last one, hold the arms all the way out. Keeping the palms in towards each other. See if we can lift the hands slightly higher towards the ceiling. And we want to lift the heels up and lower the heels. Up and down. All the time, the arms stay in the same position, so we're balancing and challenging our ankle and knee stability. Think of lifting the belly button towards the spine. My arms are definitely burning in this position, as yours should be. Give me 5, 4, just a gentle tap down with the heels each time. 2, last full one. Then raise back onto the tips of the toes, find your balance, and then full range tricep kickbacks in and out. It helps if you find a spot on your mat to keep the eye line at. If you have a spot to focus at, it will definitely help keep your balance. I'm gonna see if I look towards you, I lose my balance, so find that spot. 3 more. 2, last one, lower the heels, bring yourself up, roll the shoulders back, bringing ourselves back to the front, palms forwards again. This time, let's lift the right toes to the inside of the left knee. Squeeze the left glute to help you stabilize. We scoop the arms forwards and back. So the same as how we started, keeping the nice softness in the elbows, arms come up to shoulder height, no higher. Wearing your imaginary corset once again. Working back into the front of the arms, front of the shoulders, as our back of our arms should be burning. You should be feeling the work we just did with the triceps. Good, going for 4 more. 3, 2, last one, holding up. This time slightly different. We take a bicep curl in and out, in and out. Strong grip on the weights. Again, you can be doing the whole thing without the weights, or if the weights get too challenging at any point, feel free to lower them down and pick them back up when you're ready. Good, next one, holding up and tiny pulses. Lift, lift. All the time, the right toes are staying connected to the inside of the left knee. Squeeze in the left glute. Good, rotate the palms in towards each other now. Open the arms out, bring them in, out and in. Ideally trying to keep your elbows in line with your shoulders. And think of engaging your chest. So just into the pectoral muscles here. When you bring them together, have a gentle squeeze. Imagine pressing a spring together so you have that extra resistance. Good, we'll go for 2 more. Out, in, in. Bring the arms back out to the side. Maintain this W position as we point the toe forward and in. Once again, really working your left side. I know I keep saying it, but squeeze your left butt cheek because that will help you stabilize. It will help you balance. A strong point of the right toes. Maybe you can lift those shoulders a tiny bit higher. 3, 2, hold. Last one. Hold the toes to the inside of the knee. We're going to try and close the eyes again. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release down. Rolling the shoulders back. Turn to face the side of the mat once again. This time the palms face the back of the room. Bend in from the knees. Stick your bum out behind you. Press the arms back and forwards. This time, rather than moving from the elbow, we're moving from the shoulder. So we have that long line. Palms always facing up. Give me 2 more full ones. Up and down, up and down. And press the arms all the way up. Once again, lifting onto the tips of the toes, lowering the heels. Up and down. Find that focal point on your mat to help keep your balance. Again, if the eye line goes from side to side or you're wandering and looking around, it will be far more challenging to maintain your balance. 2 more full ones. Lift and lower. And then let's raise onto the tips of the toes, holding on the tips of the toes. See if you can press the arms a tiny bit higher. We go 15 pulses to finish. Up, up, from the shoulders. We just have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, can you lift the heels even higher? 2, 1, lower the heels and come all the way up. Really nice big shoulder roll back. We'll drop the weights down to the floor. Just take one arm across the front of the body, hold above the elbow for a nice stretch through the back of the arm. My God, it feels good. Release down, and exactly the same on the second side. Cross the front of the body, holding just above the elbow, reaching the fingertips far away from you. Reach it down, shake it all out. And that was it. Your arm and balance bar inspired workout. And that's a wrap for your arm and balanced workout. As promised, I'm sharing a link to another bar workout which will target your balance and strengthen your lower body. Just make sure to click the I in the top right corner and it'll guide you right there. As always, I'd love to hear your comments about the video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to be the first to know when the weekly workouts are out. Between now and next week, you can find me on sofiejanefitness.com, and also on Facebook. I have a Facebook page and a community page. So if you need to be held accountable for your workouts, or you want to share recipes or steal recipes from other people, request to join and I'd love to have you on there. In the meantime, stay fit, stay healthy, stay with the 10-minute workouts, and I will see you in 7 days' time.